All right, so the next couple problems, I'm going to keep up with that theme. I'm using that graphing calculator to help me out. So for number 6, it says I've got a parabola with a vertex of -2, 8. Well, I know my vertex form. So if they tell me that my x is -2, I'm just going to plug that in right here for h. So this minus is part of the formula. So what I'm plugging in is a -2. And then the same thing, this positive is part of the formula. What am I plugging in? A +8. So just be careful with your signs. So it's going to be x plus 2 squared plus 8. So I know that A is out of the question. And so is C, because it's got a -2 and a -8. Those aren't right. So I've narrowed it down to B and D. So how do I determine which one it is? Well, they gave me another piece of information. It says it has to go through this point. So when x is a -1, the y is 11. So I'm going to go ahead and just graph, just try each one. X plus 2 squared plus 8. Let's go ahead and graph it. And let's take a look at the table. Here I see when x is -1, the y is 7. So that doesn't match. Let's try the next one. If you do the yellow button and then push delete, it'll actually let you insert something. So I don't need to. Oh. Why didn't you say so? Type the wrong thing in here. It should be squared. Let's look at that again. Oh, came out the same thing. Okay. When x is -1, y is 9. So that doesn't really match. Let me double check it one more time. X plus 2 squared plus 8. Graph. Okay. So that means B is out of the question. And let's just go ahead and check the last one before I pick it. Okay, so when x is -1, my y is 11. That means that D, I'm making all kinds of mistakes today. C was not an option. D was my correct answer there. Okay, so just modeling for you guys why it's important to kind of take your time and check each step. So I've got D is 3 times x plus 2 squared plus 8. And if I take a look at the table, that's the one that matches. So I'm good to go. For the next couple, it's asking me for the vertex and axis of symmetry and the maximum minimum. So I can go ahead and graph these as well. So for number 7, I've got 2x squared plus 16x minus 6. So let's take a look at that graph. Okay, I can't see my vertex. Looks like it's kind of scooping down, but it's not showing. So what I can do is I go to Window, and I'm trying to get my y minimum to be a little lower. So I'm going to make this an even lower number. Still not low enough. Let's make it a -30. Let's see. Nope. Let's go even lower. Just jump to 50. There we go. So 2 ways you can find the vertex. You can hit trace and kind of trace down here to the middle. And it looks like it's at -4, -38. Or you can again go to your table and let's look at my numbers here. So they're negative. So remember, the bigger the number is with the negative, that's actually the lower. So here, my numbers are going from 12, -6, -20, -30, -36. You see -38 is the lowest number, and then it starts going back up again. So my answer is -4, -38. And then the axis of symmetry is going to be -4. That's just whatever your x is. So -4, -8, axis of symmetry is -4. Looks like D is good to go. For 8, I'm going to do the same thing. 2x squared plus, let's do 28x minus 8 this time. Let's go ahead and graph it. I'm going to hit zoom number 6 for standard. Okay, I can't see my graph. So I need to make this window a little bit bigger. What is the part I need to see? I need to go up more. So my y maximum this time is what I'm changing. Let's just jump to 30. Oh, not enough. So Let's go real big. Ooh, still not enough. So another thing you can do is just zoom out. You can go down to zoom out. Okay, so I know it's coming like this. So my vertex, my minimum, it's going to be at minimum. It's way down here. So let's go to my table. Let's see. Oh, that was quick. Okay, the numbers are getting lower, 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 lower. Looks like 106 is the lowest it goes, and then it starts going up again. So x is -7, y is -106. So my minimum value is -106, and then my y's after that are just getting bigger. So I'm going to go with A. The minimum value is -106, and all the other y's are greater than that. These numbers start going up. These numbers on this end, same thing. You can see they're starting to go back up again. So that would give me A. All right, if you have any other questions on that, let me know. But you're basically, again, graph it. Take a look at what the graph looks like. Take a look at your table to pick out your minimum points where your vertex is.